Sky Art viewers. So today we're going to be making clay faces. So these are a few already made faces. Ruben is still working on his, and I'm going to show you how we got to that point. So I've been working on this clay here, making it nice and soft, ready to be worked with, and all you can do is kind of squish it, make it workable. And I'm just going to use a little piece, and we're going to start using our tools. We're going to roll it out. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's nice to work with whatever shape you get. But if you want it to be an oval, you can always, come in here and just kind of cut the extra parts off. And you can use this for other stuff. And so we have an oval. And then you can start adding the parts of the face. So Ruben, you want to help me out? You want to give it some hair? So when we're applying extra parts, we're just gonna kind of blend them in here. Okay. And maybe we'll make some other type of hair. I'm gonna roll out some snakes. And this could be maybe, I don't know, a curl. Attach it there. Make another curl. And you can actually carve right into your face and give it eyes.
There's a turtle right there.
Yeah. So Ruben made a turtle for the face, for his face. I don't know if you could tell, it's got arms, a face, a leg, and a tail. Because he didn't make it thick enough though, it got kind of stuck to the board here. But we can always fix that because it's just clay. So let's pick up his little feet. And the tail? And his tail. And we're actually going to attach the tail to the back part of the turtle. And then, where do you want to put your turtle?
Right here.
Okay, we're going to put the turtle up here. And I'm going to keep working on some hair.
Mommy, is that called a girl?
It could be a girl. I don't know. Boys have long hair too, sometimes.
He might be
so I'm just gonna carve out some circles for the eyes. Oh, we're missing a nose. You want to make the nose?
Yes.
Okay, here, you make the nose. I think I'm going to make a nice little circle for the other eye. Yes. Remember what I told you? When you want to attach a piece of clay, you do these little X's so that it kind of stays. Otherwise, it might fall off. So let's take that part off. And then we're just going to kind of push it in there to make sure it stays, because when it dries, it might fall off. So, and then I kind of want this part to be smooth. I'm going to use this tool right here to kind of smooth out the other parts around there that got really messy and crazy.
Mommy, look at it, a unicorn.
Oh, you made a unicorn?
Yes, a unicorn.
And I think I'm going to make the outside part of the eye by just rolling.
Mommy, now you're going to go paint it?
No, so if you want to paint it, you can, but it's better if you let it dry. Hold on, I'm not finished with my eye yet.
Mommy, now can I paint it? I want to paint it.
I think my person should be happy.
Why?
And because I like being happy. Don't you like being happy? And one other, I kind of took the nose off. I meant to fix it. So I'm just going to kind of make it a nose.
Mommy, look at my unicorn.
And I'm going to add the X's again.
It's just a unicorn.
It's called cross-hatching. And then I'm just going to add my nose down there.
And that would be his eyes. Right here. And that would be his mouth. You see? He's good. And that would be his
So this hair is not attached well, so I'm just gonna kind of press it down there.
Push it in.
And then we're missing an ear. I think I'm gonna make it kind of look like a teacup. And just press that.
Teacup?
Yeah, you've got a teacup ear.
Mommy, can we make one a teacup?
Maybe some other time. And we're missing one more ear. I'm just gonna roll out another snake. Here, you can use this. Roll it out, Ruben.
Why?
So that you can work with it. And I think this is a little thick, so I'm just gonna keep rolling it out. And I think this is good.
Mommy,
And then
can I
we're
have my
just gonna
turtle back?
attach it. Yes, you can have your turtle back. Yeah, we'll put the turtle right there. I think we can use this other part for the hair, since he doesn't have hair on this side. Ruben is making a monkey, he said. And it could be any face. It could be a human face or an animal face. I'm gonna finish this eyeball here. Bye, Skyar.
Bye, viewers.
And then we got Ruben's monkey face.